Hi guys, thank you for watching our channel.
Yeah, thanks. Well, we have a little bonus footage today about my search for the elusive Mexican cigar.
Oh my gosh, you cannot believe me. This guy is crazy looking for cigar. We are in Campeche City, we were in Yucatan City, so he was always looking just for this kind of cigar. So finally we find them in Catemaco.
Right, cigars in Spanish are called puros, but we found out the area that Lake Catemaco is in is called Las Tuxtlas, and this area is one of the tobacco growing areas of Mexico. And we found out that there was a cigar factory in the next town nearby, and in fact the owner or the family from this old cigar factory, cigar manufacturing, a wealthy family, had property there on the lake.
Yeah, this was so nice to hear the story about the guy who was our guy. So he say, oh, you see, look in this area where you can see some cabin or something like that. Say, this is the area where somebody is the owner for the cigar manufacturing.
Large hacienda,
something like that.
Mansion on the lake with this family.
Yeah.
So I was able to buy a cigar at the hotel at Lake Catemaco, and it was reasonably priced. I think it was about $2. And I looked at some cigars that they were selling on the streets, the vendors had for sale. They seemed a little pricey, but when I heard that there was a cigar factory in the next town over, I decided that I should wait and buy my cigars when we visit that factory. So just outside of Catemaco is a town of San Andrés where they make cigars. So I'm gonna go in and see if I can't find a reasonably priced cigar. Well, Roman, what did you think about the cigar factory?
Well, for me it was impressive because I had never been something like that, you know. Even though I know many manufacturing places, so never like cigar or something. So for me it was good enough. I saw how they are making the cigar or something. So even though he was in the exhibitor, where you see all the cigar there for
kind of the retail store version, the retail store part of the cigar factory.
So, well, he was looking at, I was in the other side watching how they made the cigar. It was very impressive for me. I said, I never thinking how to do it, so I never had this kind of experience. I said, oh wow. So sad I cannot getting more in there because, you know, for pandemics issues, so I am very picky in that, so I try to keeping my distance. But for me it was very good.
Right. Even though I didn't find the best price cigar of the trip.
I know this was very funny thing because, well, even though they had 100 different kinds of cigar.
Yeah, they were all very expensive, super expensive. Well, I don't know, super expensive, but we're traveling in Mexico and, you know, I want my bargain prices.
What did you find?
I was a little disappointed. It was an interesting factory, but in the town of Catemaco at the hotel, I was able to buy a cigar for 40 pesos, which is $2. Here, I found a similar cigar for 35 pesos, but as you can see, it's only about 2 inches long.
Okay.
Oh well. I guess they overpriced the tourists in this factory.
But I think look him, look me. You know, he looked American. He said, "Okay, it's dollar." With me, pesos.
I don't know whether they raised the price for the gringo or not.
No, it was something funny, a very good experience. I like it.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay, thanks for sticking with us through our tour of the cigar factory in San Andrés, and we'll see you
next time. Thank you for watching our video.
Bye.
Bye. Hasta la vista, baby.